Since its debut, the Audi S8 has redefined luxury and performance for sedan enthusiasts. The 2026 Audi S8 takes this legacy to breathtaking new heights. Buckle up as we dive into the history, design, cutting-edge technology, and the jaw-dropping specs of Audi's flagship luxury sedan. The Audi S8 was first introduced in 1996 as the high-performance variant of Audi's luxury A8 sedan. Known for its aluminum Audi space frame construction, the first-gen S8 was ahead of its time with a 4.2-liter V8 engine and quattro all-wheel drive. The second generation, launched in 2001, upped the ante with a more powerful V8 and sharper design. Over the years, the S8 has evolved to combine state-of-the-art technology with exhilarating performance. By 2022, it featured a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, delivering a whopping 563 horsepower while maintaining executive-class luxury. And now, Audi presents the 2026 S8, a masterpiece of engineering and design. The front end of the 2026 Audi S8 is a true head-turner. It boasts a massive single-frame grille with a honeycomb design, framed by strikingly sharp LED headlights. The futuristic light signature emphasizes Audi's commitment to innovation. From the side, the S8 exudes elegance with its sleek lines and aerodynamic shape. The muscular wheel arches house large alloy wheels, giving it a bold and aggressive stance. Moving to the rear, the LED light strip connecting the taillights adds a futuristic vibe, while the quad exhaust outlets hint at the powerhouse under the hood. Every detail screams precision and luxury. Step inside, and the 2026 Audi S8 wraps you in a world of luxury and advanced tech. Red leather upholstery contrasts beautifully with ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The cockpit features Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, with a fully digital display that provides all the information you need, seamlessly integrated into the dash. The center console includes a sleek touchscreen interface for controlling climate, media, and more. Passengers in the rear are treated to spacious seating with individual climate controls, ensuring every ride is as comfortable as it is thrilling. Under the hood, the 2026 S8 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, paired with a mild hybrid system for better efficiency and performance. It produces an estimated 590 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and a top speed of over 155 miles per hour. With Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, the S8 ensures a smooth yet thrilling ride on any terrain. Now for the big question: how much will this luxury beast cost? The 2026 Audi S8 is expected to start at around $130,000, with optional upgrades pushing it closer to $150,000. The official launch is anticipated in early 2026, with pre-orders opening late 2025. So what do you think about the 2026 Audi S8? Is it the perfect blend of luxury and performance? Or does another car catch your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.